Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change password in PUBG Mobile without wasting any time. Let's get started. Open the game. Click on settings and click on logout. Then click on phone and email and see you can put your email here and password here. If you wanna change password, then click on forgot password and click and put your email here, and they will send you a verification code on your email. Then put the code here, set password, confirm your password and OK. Then your password is changed. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.